Yeah, I think we have done this. So here we are going to create a simple password cracker.
Okay.
Yep, we are going to crack. Yeah, here they attempted to crack FTP. I don't have FTP server running. We are going to attempt to crack SSH, right?
Okay.
So here, let me search for SSH. Let me search for the libraries we'll be using, right?
Okay.
SSH connecting connection Python library. Yeah, Paramiko. Paramiko. Can you read it as Paramiko?
Yeah.
Welcome to Paramiko. Um, Installation, I think is pip. Yeah, we've
Are
been
you
using.
going to do SS? Are we going to do SSH Bruteforce?
Yeah, right now. Yeah, we are going
All
to
right.
use this Paramiko
Okay.
to which will be implemented to get connection to this SSH server. Yeah, this Paramiko relies on cryptographic functionality, which makes use of C and Rust extension, but may be compiled option available on installations. So I think even if this library is C, let's use this Paramiko. I just want to show you the library we'll be using.
Yeah.
So, but let me remind myself. I just used this Paramiko long time ago. I don't think I still remember how to. Let me try to see some documentations how to use Paramiko. So you install it, um, df, the host address, the password, and then you do client send host key, the client connect username password, and then you execute the connection and login.py, the code. Yeah, let's go, let's get it. I hope
Yeah.
we are
Yeah.
going to use this parameter. Yeah, firstly, I'll be opening my terminal here. I do pip install. I think for me it's already installed. I cannot use this code library inside my PC. How dare man? Yeah, it's already there. If you install it, if you don't have it,
Mm.
so quick and so fast. Create new file. Can I call it SSH force?
SSH. Yeah.
SSH
SSH
force
first. Alright. Yeah. That's
file.
why.
So first of all, we import Paramiko. It's there.
Yeah.
Then you
It
have
is.
to first do what? The host where we are attempting to connect, but let's first see uh, if even if our SSH is there. But I hope it's always open.
Yeah.
And many people they go and forget that SSH is open. Let me grab NIP here and find out it even if set up by default. Username. Maybe you installed Kali and you forgot to. You created user but you forgot to delete user Kali. And then I get into your system by using simple password Kali. Simple as that. And let's see, like the username will be targeting
I can't hit. Is it archaic?
Let me target Kali, default one.
All right.
Then you have to specify where you'll be connecting the port to two. Maybe they
TV2.
try to change it to port 21. And then here, let's try to simply create a small, simple list. It's like an array of possible passwords.
All right.
Later, we are going to weaponize it by what? Let me call it passwords should be equals to. Let's assume that we have password like, even if it doesn't exist, but here I have to put the actual one inside. Let me put Ali Kai. Yeah, I made some reconnaissance and I've seen some keywords to build my password list. Let me add another one. Pass 123.
I'm asking myself, can it brute force a password which is which is not in the word list? Like
No, how possible? It's
like
going to
okay, I
use
don't.
only this list.
All right.
If to lose it, it tell you that not found.
That's why we need some AI brute forcing,
Eh,
something that can craft names,
can craft.
something that can craft a possible word list according to the response it's getting.
Oh my! Remember, we used the one, but I'll be showing you.
We did use an AI. I'm like, no. Okay, I get it.
Yeah, SSH. Here we have to create like a connection to SSH. I can call it SSH or connection.
Yeah.
Let me remind myself back here on this parameter. Yeah, this is the client who will be attempting to connect to the SSH.
Mm,
Yeah, okay. We say SSH will be equal to parameter dot, I think it's SSH client. It's already highlighted. I think simple as this, as a socket. And what's other thing? I've seen other line here. Dot set missing host key policy auto. Let's add this line. Okay, I will do SSH. This one we created. It's going to set. Yeah, it's already highlighted. Oh my, so sweet. Missing host key policy, but we have to pass something around here. Yeah, this one. Parameter dot add policy inside.
auto add policy. Oh shit.
Yeah.
How are you going to remember all that?
I just try to read this documentation, but to add policy. Yep. Now it's working. I mean, the one thing I like on this stuff is that the more you do exercises, you understand the logic. You know, like after you create like a connection client, the client do this, do this.
Mm.
Yep. So, and after we get this client, what we are going to do, I think, is to attempt to connect. right?
Mm.
But I
Yeah, right.
think, let me see, let
There,
me get
there is another line where,
which one? This one to connect.
yeah,
This is the line to connect. But this line, because we'll be brute forcing, we are going to use for.
you're going to use.
We are going to frame it in by for, because you see it's going to pass username and password. So
Mm.
that that loop will take password from our list and it loop it. It tries
Mm.
the first connect, the second connect, the third connect until it gets the password or not.
Yeah.
Yeah, here what you are doing is automating automation. Brute forcing is automating because you trying your small speed, even
Yeah.
if patience. Let me do for pass in these passwords. Let me grab that and I paste it here, and then I think this pass is built-in word. Yeah, I'm hating this. You see?
Mm.
Yeah, it's built-in word. It was failing. So here we are going to frame it. Let me see. Here for us to see like uh, the response of it's connected or not, because we want to catch the error,
Yep.
we have to frame it into other thing called try. Means that it's going to try this. If it fails to give us the error,
Yeah.
then from here we can try to make a design like print. Can print like what? uh Print um attempting like, let me just use trying because we are trying, we are not already connected. Trying
Mm.
password.
Cracking.
Yeah, no. Yeah, try. Yeah, cracking. No, cracking is different from brute forcing. We are going to see it.
Okay.
Oh, we are trying the
Password.
password, and I think here we have to use this. Let me use this if for me to be able to pass a variable is view. Okay. Ndahuze man. Uzokingura gate byakunaniye. Man, I'm coming.
Ari.
Okay, I'm back, but these people they are killing my recording. I have to cut all of these parts. Hello there.
Ndakumva, ndakumva.
So I'm back. So this F is going to help us to pass some variable strings there. So I can pass like the password we are attempting, right?
Right.
This variable is the one you are going to pass there. And then we do like SSH to connect. It's already being highlighted. Then we put like them. Let me get back there. You have to put the host, right? The host equals to this username and password.
Username, password, yeah.
Connect to like host. I think we have to use this host name. Let me use this because it's one highlighted. Equals to host. Simple as that.
Yeah.
And I do like
password.
Port. Because after after you get the host name, you put the port.
Alright.
The port after username. Maybe you can also brute force the username. Why not? We can do like is it called like cluster bomb? Yeah, we can
cluster bomb.
I don't remember how. I don't remember the terminology, but also we can do it like vice versa, like both username and passwords at the same time. And then after we have to specify like username. The username will be using connecting be equals to like the user be equal to user, right? And the password will be equal to this one. This iterate this one will be using iterate. This one I think it's have to be like this. Then after if we get the password, it's because if it gets it's going to stop.
Yes.
And then we print like let me use this F again for me to be able to pass that variable there. Password is like password found. And then we do like password, right?
Curly bracket.
Yeah, if we use this. So another thing is what we close our function.
Dot close. All right.
And after we close, I don't know why do we have this kind of errors. We see after. This is not errors.
Kind of like click on that error thing.
Let's break this.
All right.
You see, because it have to stop after it gets the password. Don't continue.
Yeah.
Wait. You understand?
Yeah, I get it.
And once try have to do what? To catch that error if we don't get the password.
I think if you click to that red warning right there.
You know why we are getting this stuff? It's because you don't have any kind of catch or exemption. You see, after we done all of this is going down because we'll be catching paramicro. Let me get back here. Let me get back. Where did I see the extensions? Let me see if we're going to see it. Paramicro exemptions. Where is it?
I don't know.
Paramicro. Let me get back to the login. Paramicro. Let me search it. Paramicro authentication exemption. Let me see to the exemptions. Yeah, it's here.
Yeah.
I just saw it back. It's paramicro dot authentication exemption.
Yeah.
We do paramicro dot yeah, it's already
Mm.
then after we do like we print, because this will be raised as the error. We failed to get the password.
Yeah.
We print like failed to get password.
Mm.
Big more data. Yeah, because if you are brute forcing and you lose the password, is misinformation. How you don't have information, and other exemption we might be having, it's kind of like the connection. If this client is not able to get connection, I think it's simple exemption. Any exemption, let me call it exemption as E, and after we can print what connection error.
Mm.
Connection error. Yeah, I hope now it's right. We don't have any error. You see, now they are gone.
Yeah.
Yo,
Just a warning.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you ready, Babu? Man. So we're
Let's
going to see.
let's
Hope it's going to work. Please trying hello. Yeah, password is found.
Wow.
But if I remove Kali, it's going to tell me like no password. Trying hello. See, failed to get password. Big more information. You see how it works? If I bring back Kali and I change the username to like, I think here I have username called search, and I run it. Oh, which error? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You know where this error is coming from? Let's see. Get more information. Trying password, get more information. Yeah, that's how it should be working like so. this how we can brute force this. Maybe here. So, and after we successfully um, executed our calls, and now we are able to brute force the SSH by using our Python script. Now it's failing because this user, let me change the user. Let me change the user. I put the curly. I know this one is there. This user is there. Okay, I run it again. Okay, error. Let me rerun it. Error again. Let me first save. Let me attempt to save. I run it back. See, now it's running perfectly. It's trying password hello. It failed. Dig some information, and you see now the password is found. Okay, let's try to use this found password. Let's try to use this found password to SSH our target. Let's SSH carry this carry user at 192. Yeah, this is this carry is the one running that SSH IP address. Let me grab this and let me attempt to connect the SSH. Let me grab the cracked password from it's carry. Then I paste it there. See, now we are inside our Kali Linux. Can ls I can so here we are going to continue weaponizing this. You see here we were just using the simple list of password. Here let's see how we can weaponize this. I mean how we can weaponize this, the word. Yeah, what you'll be using is I'm going to use with open utility with open let me say with open, like let's say we have the file called like passwords sorry for that. Let me say we have the file called like passwords.txt, and then you put the permission. We are going to read it and then we're going to save it as pass, right? And then let's copy this password. Let me cut it. It will be inside this, and I think inside this array we'll be reading the each line inside this for loop. Someone stay in a call, no problem. So here we are going to use for loop to read a line by line inside this password, which will be read as pass. I'm going to do like for each line in pass. I think let me remove this. Is this syntax for this parse? So, and I think we made error. Let me bring it back because this will be raising errors. Let me use like the line and then I strip it. Let me strip the line for me to just prevent some lines with. Okay, let me start this. See, yeah, if I strip this, I'll be able to use this password.txt. So here let me create a new file, call it passwords .txt, and then inside this part, oh no way, no way, no way, I just created inside my environment. Let me delete that. Okay, is it okay? Oh no, let me, it's there. Let me create a new file. I call it like passwords dot txt, and I think now where this file is being created. Our file is called passwords.txt. Yeah, I see now it's created here. Inside here I can paste any kind of possible password, but here I'll be using my word list generator tool called word list generator. This one. So let me get started. So this word list generator site, it's where we're going to put like the all information we managed to gather to our target or our victim. Maybe I can put the first name, like this person /, any like some middle names, Kali, aliases, search. You see, you can put date of birth. I don't care. Let me put industry, like IT, information, tech, anniversaries, and here on anniversaries you can put many and many as you want, and some keywords like search, Kali. Of course, this Kali is the username we are attempting to put forth. So after I hit generate, see the moment I hit generate, something have been generated. Let me try to open it. If I open it inside my notepad, you see it's managed to generate all of those passwords. So if I copy this and I paste inside here, see, and I paste it inside there, see all of those passwords there. There are a lot and a lot. If I save this, let me save and get back here and I run this. See, it's going to try this password. Yeah, didn't get the password, but this is going to take much time because that word list is big. Let me try to make something small. Let me try to make something small, like search 1 2 3 Benny, password Kali 1 2 3, some randoms. Let me make this small word list. I hope you have seen how you can generate the custom ones by using AI. So let me brute force by using this word list. Is going to try search, password failed, search dig some information. Yeah, I see the password is found and this password is correct. So That was for today. For people who want to join my cybersecurity class, starting from scratch, hero to from beginner to hero, I recommend you to contact me. You most welcome in the Hacking Bay community. So stay in touch. Better if subscribe for you to stay in touch. Yeah, that's what's for today, and I recommend you guys to subscribe and we'll be having the other next sessions with interesting topics as usual. So thank you for your watching.